A waste walk is a structured process to eliminate waste with the appropriate lean tools. It is often referred to as Go, Look, See. This essentially means go. Go to the actual place where the waste is being created, wherever it is. Look at the process with your own eyes. See what is happening and the impact it's having, and try and develop a solution. Waste walks were developed as part of the world-famous Toyota production system developed by Tahichi Onu. Tahichi Onu knew that managers had to fully engage with the operations team and members of the business. He would draw a chalk circle around managers and make them stand within this until they had seen and documented all of the waste within a particular area. Today, the stand in the circle exercise is a great way to train one's eyes to see the waste and the issues in real time. It is still practiced in Toyota today. This can be carried out anywhere from the hospital ward to the office to the factory floor. Traditional organisations have very distinct areas. Managers will be sat in offices, supervisors might be located in offices more closely to their area of responsibility. Support staff are separately located in other areas with brick walls between them and the process. Waste walks are focused on go, look, seeing where the waste and the problems exist in real time and reduces reaction times to problems. This ensures that the waste walk process provides team members with the support they need when issues are raised. A waste walk is a method of ensuring that everyone, with particular emphasis on support staff and leadership, go to the place where the task or job is carried out to review the current status with fresh eyes. This allows for a full understanding of the waste in the current process through actually seeing it in the current state rather than hear about it and discussing it remotely. Waste walks support a continuous improvement philosophy by ensuring that the correct resources are focused on understanding the levels of waste impacting on flow within processes through actually observing them. Waste walks are a key tool within the Lean toolbox for identifying waste and process improvements. A Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, known as PDCA, is essential to creating sustainable improvement from your waste walk. Understanding of the 8 wastes, their impacts on flow, and determining solutions by using a Go, Look, See philosophy is one of the tools used to embed Lean within a culture of an organisation. Sustainment and continuous improvement activities are supported by a waste walk philosophy being in place. The 8 wastes are often referred to as trim wood and are seen on screen now. The trim wood acronym, covering transportation, resources, inventory, motion, weighting, over-processing, overproduction and defects, divides waste into one of 8 sectors to help identify areas for improvement within any process. How to carry out a waste walk. Identify the process and process flow. Walk the process flow with the team. Identify any process wastes, quality concerns, defects, higher than planned levels of inventory, scrap, poor performing KPI trends, and speak to the process owners to identify the root cause of some of the issues identified. Challenge why these things are the way they are. Do not accept things simply as being the way they are just because they are that way. Document all issues found. Implement countermeasures for concerns found. Provide follow-up support for any countermeasures that have not proved 100% effective. Thank the team for their support. Waste walks questions to consider. How is this work performed? How do you know if you're doing this work correctly? Is there a standard? Who are your suppliers internally? Who are your customers internally? What are your targets? How do you know if the outcome is free of defects? What do you do if you have a problem? And what ideas do you have to improve this process?